Hello people, welcome back. Today we will see insert tab features. My second video was about file and edit tab. Now it's insert tab. Sorry for that. First one is block. It's likely to copy paste feature. Difference between copy paste and block is you can save it and use multiple times. Before that, I will create one block with some random design. I will select create block from here, or shortcut for this is B enter. Next, pick the base point and select objects and name it. Now I will insert the block which we created.
This door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't wanna
This option is more helpful for architects.
let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this out behind.
Next is DWG reference. With this, I can add a complete different drawing on a current drawing. DWF underlay means we can add DWF format file. Insert tab is all about adding.
Can't this be different, or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we?
The full form of DWF is Design Web Format. Next is raster image reference. With this tool, I can add JPG image to Autocad.
Shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go.
Next is field. In an easy way to make you understand is that it's like an watermark. We can add paper sizes, title, etc. Before that, let's see what Autocad says about this. You can insert a field within any text object to display data in drawing or sheet set that you expect will change. When field is updated, latest data is automatically displayed. If you still didn't understand, here's a preview named Alan Constructions Ltd. Like this, watermarks appear when you use field command. Let's set it to paper sizes here. I'm making the text large and changing font to make it visible.
This all behind, can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't wanna talk this out. And no, I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me.
Next is layout, which appears bottom left of your screen. Multiple layouts can be created, and you can even download a template from the web and use it as a custom layout.
This all behind, can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't wanna talk this out. And no, I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me.
3D Studio means there is another software from Autodesk company named 3ds Max, in which we can import 3D design from there. I don't have any 3D Studio file, so I can't import. ACS file also defines the same. It's a 3D solid modeling library. I don't have a file, so I can't import it too. But I can show what type of 3D design we can create. It looks realistic. Next is DXB. I have created a DXB file. You can create a DXB file from the plot settings. Next is Windows Meta File, WMF, which allows to import WMF format file. OLE object means we can create a small panel of some Microsoft or other software data. For example, I will select Word document. Whatever I type, it appears here. It is helpful to add some details about the drawing. External reference means we can add other drawing for the reference of the current drawing we will be creating. Lastly, hyperlink. Its shortcut is Ctrl+K. We can create a link of a drawing and hide it in a current drawing. I will select a file and click OK. To open the drawing, Ctrl plus click mouse button. So that's it for today. If you don't understand anything, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
I want to leave this all behind. Can